If you are a stakeholder in the generic drug industry, you may want to stick around and watch this video. We will explore how traditional sales forecast models do not necessarily apply to the multi-source drug industry in the United States, and demonstrate a probability-based model we developed which more accurately assesses pricing levels, thus better positioning a drug for success at the wholesaler contract level.
Most forecasts think of market share in terms of a set of continuous variables. This assumption only holds true when the buying decision is made based on many independent factors, each too small to substantially affect total sales. With a few exceptions, this is a reasonable representation of the brand drug environment. Sales activity is composed of numerous independent decisions made by a large number of physicians, any one of whom represents a small portion of overall sales. Suggesting that the generic business can be won or lost in terms of a single or half share point is unrealistic. Now you can begin to see why forecasters need to construct models that can accurately simulate a small number of binary decisions. Based on years of experience working with the drug industry, we set out to build a better model. One that more accurately reflects the realities faced by the industry. We use the Monte Carlo methodology in conjunction with at-risk software. Think in terms of commercial airplane manufacturing. A few manufacturers compete for a small number of high-value contracts. Experience shows us that competition for wholesale drug contracts in the US is more binary than commercial airplane manufacturing. Introducing a model that accurately reflects the realities faced by the multi-source drug industry in the United States made sense. Factoring in the overall structure of the industry is an essential element of the process. The generic drugs dispensed at a pharmacy are the decision of a very small number of large wholesalers and pharmacy chains. A single wholesaler can control 25% or more of the market for a drug. What is represented here is revenue from $0 to $100 million and the probability of achieving a particular level of revenue when each wholesaler offers 2 contracts. We clearly see that the yes-no nature of the wholesaler bidding process falls into 1 or 4 groups. It's easier to think of this in terms of a range of minor outcomes surrounding one of 4 major outcomes. We take this a step further by introducing a 3rd wholesaler contract into the picture.
In this short video, we set out to introduce the concept of probability-based forecasting. If you wish to learn more, you can download the article, Probability-Based Forecasting for U.S. Generic Drug Sales, from the Journal of Generic Medicine's website. Stay tuned for other videos where we will explore an approach for achieving optimum pricing using similar methods. When considering your next big project, we hope you will give us the opportunity to prove how our insight and experience translates to successful outcomes.